So here we go. Tastes like the 80s. What's going on, guys? We have a special treat. I like all my other videos. I have a 1982 Donkey Kong Topps card pack. So we have two of them. Now the cool thing about this is, this was back before Super Mario Brothers, so obviously dubbed Donkey Kong. And it has a piece of gum in here with whatever the heck a rub-off card is. Topps has been around for a while. They're most popular card, one of the most popular trading card companies for sports cards and anything like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and open these up, and hopefully I don't die from it. I'm gonna eat a piece of this gum. Yeah. Let's get her opened up and see what happens. Now this one, I was reading somewhere, original cherry and grape. Let's see what the heck. Right off. Oh, that's gum. That's part of gum. It has no smell. Might be a little moldy. There's your piece of gum. Now here's the 3 rub-off cards, whatever that means. Oh, oh wow. So we have these cool little, so I'm assuming these rub-off cards, it says starting at Mario, rub off 1 dot at a time. Move up the ladder or across the beam, trying to rescue the beautiful girl from Donkey Kong. If you reach the dot nearest the beautiful girl, you have rescued her and scored 100 points. Uncover a prize and gain bonus points. A hammer's 20, a birthday cake's 50, phone, umbrella, or a lunch pail is 10 points. How much did you score? Player is out if any combination of 3 fireballs and barrels is uncovered. Any number of players can play. Take turns. The player with the highest score who reaches the girl wins. If all players are out, the one with the highest score wins. So this is kind of pretty cool. So you have these rub-off cards, which makes total sense now. They're kind of like scratch cards. Basically, you start from the beginning at Mario. Yeah, they do call him Mario on this one. Not Jumpman or anything. And you just scratch across, and you're trying to get all the way up to the top. So I'm not going to do all these. Let's go ahead and open up the other pack quick, and we will get the other 3 cards out. Well, before we open that other pack, these are pretty cool. That came with it. Yep. Practice, man. Practice. And then Donkey Kong Killer. I'm hot for Donkey Kong. And Barrels of Fun. Donkey Kong is Barrels of Fun. So those are what the other cards were on them. And obviously you can tell by the back, I'm sure if you put them all together, they make one cool sign. So I don't know if they're... Oh, they're stickers. Oh, they're stickers. So the other 3 stickers are exactly the same. Yeah, we even have the same. Dang, we even have the same background. So can't make a cool picture, but we got some sweet stickers. We also got a couple sweet pieces of gum, which I'm gonna try here in a minute. Go ahead and back. I got this. So we're gonna try and use this to scratch off. We're just gonna play one of the games. Unfortunately, I don't know if it's the age of them, but every time I try and scratch one of them off, it takes the card off with it. It didn't work a little bit with my thumb. Alright, so far this video's been a flop. I've tried scratching this stuff off. I've got a penny now. Let's try. So these packs are kind of a flop. I'm going to keep a couple around, maybe as giveaways or something cool to just give out. I guess the only way I can make it up to you guys is eat a piece of this gum. Now, unfortunately, part of it is black, but it does not have any mold. I don't think gum can get old, so let's hope I don't get botulism or something. I will not be swallowing. Don't worry, everybody. If you don't see me in a couple weeks on a video, you don't know why. Here we go. Tastes like the 80s. Have a good day, guys.